Hi, I'm the admin of Top 10 Mysteries. Our planet is an amazing place where strange and mysterious things happen. Nature is always difficult to explain, but there are still phenomena that are so rare and bizarre that they almost give people a headache. It's difficult to witness these kinds of things for yourself unless you happen to be in the right place and the right time. But let me show you 10 dangerous and inexplicable natural phenomena today which have been caught on camera. You've probably seen lightning like this before, but this is a mysterious natural phenomenon that happens all the time in Venezuela. The probability of lightning strikes in this area is the highest in the world. The Catatumbo region is struck around 1 million times per year. Scientists believe that this phenomenon produces the largest amount of ozone in the Earth's atmosphere, and the Venezuelan government is trying to get this included on UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. Scientists still cannot explain the lightning ball phenomenon. This phenomenon is extremely rare. A lightning ball refers to balls of light floating in the sky during thunderstorms. The size of these lightning balls can vary widely. They can be as small as a golf ball or as big as a soccer ball. The largest clay ball ever found was up to 2.5 meters in diameter and caused great damage. They can destroy entire buildings. The nature of their appearance is also unclear, as that they form not only during thunderstorms but also in sunny weather. Lightning occurring during a volcanic eruption is also considered unusual. Witnessing a volcanic eruption is fascinating but also terrifying. Watch the flow of red-hot lava flowing into the ocean. There are about 522 active volcanoes on Earth, and around 3/4 of them are underwater. A volcanic eruption is a common natural phenomenon that's part of life on our planet, but the most unique sight is a volcanic eruption under the sea. The amount of carbon absorbed by the oceans is directly related to one of the positive impacts of this natural phenomenon. Scientists have recently showed that plankton plays an important role in generating all the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. Underwater volcanoes provide phytoplankton with iron compounds needed for photosynthesis. This is a tsunami. It was caused by an earthquake in the ocean, but there is another kind of tsunami which is caused by strong wind and ice. Ice tsunamis are the rarest natural phenomenon in temperate and Arctic India. Strong winds blow from the sea into a large lake and are capable of causing ice to reach the mainland. Luckily, the tsunami did not cause any significant damage. In most cases, the icebergs don't move from the coast, but instead form intricate sculptures which are scary and fascinating at the same time. A number of examples of this phenomenon have been recorded on the North American continent. The largest recorded tornado ever reached 2.5 miles wide. All types of tornadoes appear due to pressure differences caused by the collision of warm and cold air masses. Energy is released, but the pressure differences cause an expansion, forming a funnel, similarly to how vacuum cleaners work. This is a pretty accurate description of a tornado. This atmospheric phenomenon can also occur due to a strong fire. In this case, the central temperature was 1000 degrees and it was unable to be extinguished, so burned everything in its path. But the rarest natural phenomenon of the cyclone family, and perhaps one of the rarest phenomena in the world, is the underwater tornado. The blue light on the sea looks like magic. The phenomenon of a glowing blue coast in the dark always surprises people and provides a stunning photo opportunity. During a visit to the paradise island of Maldives, a Taiwanese photographer captured a stunning image of the sea glowing blue like fireflies. The blue luminous wave phenomenon occurs due to the glow of certain kinds of plankton suspended in the sea water. The cause of this particular phenomenon, shown, is said to be seaweed. At night, they emit a moving blue light in water and cause the glow. Reflections of the bioluminescent light happen when the microorganisms are put under stress by things like onshore shock waves. This magical phenomenon can be observed in Madi from around July to February. Seeing these giant waves created by a storm is not a sight for the faint-hearted. But a fake storm can be even more fun. It looks like a giant beach ball. Only a few cases of this rare natural phenomenon have ever been reported. Most recently, in 2017, an entire UK town was covered with foam, making all the scenery here white as if a soap bomb had just been triggered. This occurs when strong winds blow the sea foam onto the mainland, and streets and buildings are covered in it, making it difficult for vehicles to navigate. According to scientists, this phenomenon is the result of giant sea algae and waste in the water, which is turned into giant thick foam by currents and wind. The icy climate in some parts of our planet is another surprise for us. In the water under permafrost, scientists have discovered a truly unique phenomenon. This wonderful phenomenon brings death to everything it touches and has been called the icy finger of death. The stalactite hits the ocean floor in the form of a very strong and very cold jet of water. This phenomenon forms very quickly, and the icicle can reach up to 2 meters long after just 8 to 10 hours. The temperature of ice stalactites is much lower than zero, and when they hit the seabed, they spread out and freeze everything in their path. This spectacular natural phenomenon can be observed more and more often due to global warming. According to meteorological observations made by NASA's satellites, Antarctica has lost more than 100 billion tons of ice over the past 10 years. The climate depends on world ocean levels, and this increases as glaciers melt. Scientists believe that a change of just a few centimeters in sea levels can cause tropical storms to be devastating. If we are talking about a change of 10 centimeters or more, then the future climate of our planet will be very unpredictable. The light of Elmo. This is an electric discharge in the form of beams of light emitted at the tip of high-resistance objects in the atmosphere. It usually happens during a thunderstorm or in the build-up to one. Elmo is an optical phenomenon produced by sunlight interacting with ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Elmo can come in many forms, from colored or white circles to arcs in the sky. According to Aboriginal legends, Willy is caused by a spirit which creates mysterious swirly winds. Today, we call them dust devils. Willy winds can spiral upwards to more than 300 meters high, but are not like normal tornadoes. They form from the ground, whereas tornadoes are formed from the sky. Willy winds move across the ground and carry dust, objects, and debris with them. In 2011, two unfortunate children encountered Willy wind while playing. The wind grew to a height of 4.5 meters, crossed the fence, and hit a highway in Tucson, Arizona. Thanks for watching the video. Have you seen any of these phenomena? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like and share it with everyone. Don't forget to press the red subscribe button to get updates on our next interesting videos. Bye for now, see you for the next video.